machines. What are they? Simple machines are basic tools we use to make our jobs easier. Nobody wants to do a bunch of hard work. Do you want to work hard? I don't. Simple machines help us do stuff by doing some of the work for us. There are 6 types of simple machines: the lever, the incline plane, the wedge, the screw, the wheel and axle, and the pulley. Humans have been using simple machines forever, and then we made more complex machines. Number 1, the lever. A lever is a long tool, usually a pole or a rod, or even a plank. Combine that with a fulcrum, and you got everything you need to lift something heavy or to pry something open. A fulcrum is another object, such as a rock or even a pyramid, that is placed under the long tool to give you something to push down on. The closer the fulcrum is to the object being lifted, the easier it is to lift the object. Levers are everywhere. Seesaws, hinges, crowbars, bottle openers, scissors, door handles, even the back ends of hammers. They make life easy. That's why they call it leverage. You better subscribe and flip the like switch. Peace. 3, 2, 1. Launch. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Go! Whoa! Put into the plan. Oh my God.
Hi, I'm Donald Trump, and I do not approve this message. No.